Thank you. It's good to finally meet you. According to your dating profile, I understand you play the kangaroo pouch tone flute. How fascinating. Tell me, have you been practicing your kangaroo pouch tone flute religiously?
Of course. Whenever I get the chance.
Excellent. Who do you think about when you're alone playing your kangaroo pouch tone flute?
Nobody?
Seriously?
Absolutely. Definitely, most seriously. It was definitely, we have a winner here.
I'm glad. You're very pretty for a girl. Very pretty. But unfortunately, that's all you are. You're nothing compared to Mariah, Brianna, Carolyn, or any of the other women or men I've become acquainted with. Oh my God, my uterus just hit the floor.
Great. We got a switch hitter here. Swing and a miss.
A pretender. That's what you are. You must realize that by now.
You don't know anything about me.
Only what I can see. A little girl not worthy of the noble creature nestled inside her. You're overwhelmed by it. You're in over your head this evening. And they said it would be a mistake choosing me for a date. But there is one hope for you, and that's me. My strength can be within you. You don't have to be afraid of it.
I'm not.
Then use it. Let me show you how to use it. Get up off your chair and come sit right beside me. You never have to be afraid of anything, ever again.
I don't think so. Waiter, check please.